Me and the boys found like a little cave and had our sesh. But yeah, the water here is just so crystal clear blue. Just really had me shook. I've never been to a freshwater area with like water this clear, so it was really cool to see. After that jump, I wanted to show you guys how I got up there and jumped from that spot. This is the route the old head showed us. People were taking different ways, but we were a little faded already. And he was doing this for like 4 or 5 hours. So yeah, this is the way we did it. This is my brother Nani on the camera now, and the homie Farron. They're gonna go for a majestical little swim to the other side of this cliff to watch where I'm gonna jump next. Look at that stroke.